hope that you're keeping safe and well. This week's top 5 videos in no particular order. In at number 1, we've got Matsuura UK operating safely and successfully. MTD CNC visited Matsuura's HQ in Leicestershire this week to film an interview with the Managing Director, Roger Hawkins. Watch now to see how Matsuura are successfully operating safely in the midst of COVID-19 and fully supporting their customers, including companies that have purchased machines mid-pandemic. Some of them investing in their very first Matsuura.
We've always been supplying that equipment, and I think if you need the installation to be done safely, we've been doing that over the last few weeks. Like I say, the application side, we can do that. So things have changed, yes, definitely how we operate, but the product is still the same product.
In at number 2, its first slider helps to win work back. Stratus Precision Engineering has a range of mills and fixed head lathes, but they recently purchased their first sliding head lathe from Citizen Machinery UK. L32 with LFV technology has enabled them not only to win work back, but to open them up to new opportunities and new markets.
It's an acetal spacer. We were making them by the thousand alongside a sort of range of other components. We actually lost out on this part. It had gone to a moulding company and they could produce the part a lot cheaper than we could on our kit. This machine's actually opened that back up for us now, and we've come in under the moulding price. Didn't expect to do that, but this is one of the sort of nice side effects and benefits of having this machine.
And at number 3 is why should you consider FeatureCAM CAM software? With over 30 years in the industry, CanSpec are ideally placed to review your CAD design requirements, whether architecturally or mechanically, and find the right solution for you. They aim to help you maximise your productivity, improve accuracy, and provide the return on investment your company requires.
And because it's so simple to use, would this be the start of the CAM journey and people may progress to things like Power Mill after? Or do many users start with FeatureCAM and they're still there, they're happy with it?
That's a good question actually. I think that really depends on how the company evolves and grows. It may well start off with FeatureCAM because of the subscription-based model. If they decide later that they wish to jump to Power Mill, then that's an option that they can do. Yeah.
And at number 4 is Tebis CAM Automation with Virtual Machine Library. Paul Scally, Operations Manager of Tebis UK, explains why you need Tebis CAM Automation with Virtual Machine Library. Tebis CAD CAM software offers a unique virtual machine library which can help customers to plan, program and verify NC machining operations, all in Tebis CAD CAM program environment, together with 4 other Tebis database libraries.
3 stages of the process. Again, it's very important because first of all, we have planning. If I have a component, I'll need to understand which machine this is going to fit on. Okay, so maybe in the timing plan, someone said, okay, you need to produce this part, it's to fit on this machine. The first thing I need to do as a programmer is the part going to fit on that machine in reality? What's my optimal setup position? What tool lengths, what tools am I going to use? And I can do all of this in the planning stage, okay, to actually figure out where the part's going to go. Because what we don't want to do is, if we know that we have some 5-sided machine or a 5-axis, a collision against the table or the machine head, fixturing. So all this is very important.
And finally, in at number 5, it's 2K in free tooling and 2K free work holding and more. Lyndsey explains what's on offer. Every manufacturer's dream is to be able to win more business, increase margins, reduce handling, and all of these are not to be affected in the prices. Well, Star GB could be the answer.
My question to you is, how does the Star ST38 and all of their other machines solve all of those problems?
It's dead simple, really, Lyndsey. Star over recent years have brought new products to market which mean they can make more complicated components far more efficiently and far more effectively. You only have to take machines like you suggested, the ST38, amongst others, including the new SX38. These machines are highly versatile and they're highly, highly productive. But not only highly productive, they're also very flexible in the fact that regardless of the quantity of applications or parts that you're trying to run through, you can change from job to job very quickly.
Thank you for listening. I hope that you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.